37,035 products were purchased from our links in 2023. That's over $1.1 million in RV products and accessories. Today we're covering the most popular, most purchased RV products chosen by you guys from our links in 2023. Coming in at number 20 on this year's list is the CRC QD electronic cleaner. So when I initially talked about this product in another video, I got a lot of questions about how this affects dielectric grease. So to be clear, dielectric grease is not conductive, it's actually an insulator. It's meant to keep things out like moisture to keep terminals clean. But here's the problem with dielectric grease. It's grease. So during the constant plugging and unplugging that is so common with an RV, that grease can start to make its way onto terminals and attract things like dirt, dust, and salt. The electronics cleaner is a great tool to use to clean off oxidation, dirty grease, or even grease that's made its way onto the terminals from the constant plugging and unplugging. Clean terminals make better connections, which reduce things like arcing and current fluctuations. It's safe on plastic, it's non-conductive, and evaporates quickly, so you can either spray it on and wipe it off, or just let it evaporate. And as always, all the products we talk about in today's video are gonna be linked down below, and also down below I'll put links to videos that go into a little more depth on these products. I just released an update video a couple weeks ago about this next product. The Karmtech 10-digit keyless entry door lock comes in at number 19. I chose this lock because when you start comparing apples to apples, it just has more features. A lot of people are choosing this lock, and that's why it's on the list today. If you're interested in more details, I'll put links to the videos we've already made on this lock down below. Remaining on the list from last year is the Camco Rhinoflex sewer hose kit. This is the only sewer hose I've used going on 8 years now. No leaks, no problems whatsoever. The kit comes with 20 feet of sewer hose, a clear elbow, and a 4-in-1 sewer inlet along with some hose and pipe caps. Being able to see and know when your tank has been thoroughly rinsed is important. This sewer hose was higher on the list last year, but remains to be a popular choice among RVers. Next up on the list from the most popular products from last year, it's just a simple product, it's a hose splitter. I think this is one of those products that you don't think about much until you start RVing for a while and you finally realize it's so convenient to have. You just simply attach one of these to the campground water connection. It splits the line into 2 separate valves, both of which have their own on-off valve. You just connect the RV water to one side, and then you have a completely separate side that you can access water without having to disconnect your RV's hose. This is convenient if you want to fill up a bucket to, put out a campfire, if you want to wash your hands, or for any other reason that you would like to access water. It's also a little peace of mind to have a second water disconnect when you're turning off the water when you're leaving the RV. If you don't currently turn off your water when you leave the RV for extended periods of time, I'll put a link down below to a video that discusses why you should. Next on the list, coming in at number 16, is actually a product from one of our channel partners. RV snap pads have become one of the most popular RV products over the last few years, and now they're available for travel trailers. Snapjacks simply replace the metal foot of your scissor jack, giving your stabilizers up to 274% more surface area, and that means more stability and less sinkage into soft ground. Made from recycled tire rubber, they provide better grip than a metal foot, especially on loose and uneven ground. Snapjacks protect not only your RV landing gear, but prevent scratching, gouging, and rust staining to your driveway or campsite pad. Use the link below and get 10% off your RV Snapjack order. I will say it is pretty cool to see the winterizing blowout plug on the list again this year. One side is a standard industrial quick connect fitting that you'll find on most air compressor hoses, and the other side is a GHT fitting or garden hose thread, so you can blow out water lines when winterizing. Now, even if you winterize with antifreeze, there are still a few plumbing lines that you should blow out with compressed air. Depending on the type of wet bay that you have, some plumbing lines will not see antifreeze through traditional winterizing methods. I explain that in more detail in our winterizing videos, but this plug makes that process easy. I'm a little surprised this next item or items are on the list this year because it's not a $10 or $20 part. The number 14 spot was a combination of Hughes Autoformer products. About 85% of them were a mix of 30 and 50 amp power watchdogs, and the remaining was mostly surge modules. The Hughes Power Watchdog, in my opinion, is the best electrical protection you can get for your RV. When it comes to power management, there are surge protectors and there are EMS units. I would always recommend an EMS unit. The Power Watchdog is technically an EMS unit, even though Hughes calls it a surge protector with emergency power shutoff. So these will analyze the power circuit. It protects from surges, high and low voltage, and amperage, along with some other things. But the surge module inside of these is replaceable. So if you see a catastrophic surge, you don't have to buy a whole new EMS unit, you can just replace the surge module. I'll be releasing a video this summer that goes into depth about power management. For now, the Hughes Power Watchdog is the most popular super electrical protection being purchased from our links. Not much to talk about on this next product. It's a standard 90-degree hose elbow, and here's why it's so popular. Most RV water fittings connect straight into the side of the RV, which can lead to the hose kinking and undue stress on the RV fittings. So adding a 90-degree fitting removes most of that stress. And instead of constantly connecting to a plastic fitting, you're now connecting to a brass fitting, which is going to last much longer. The Thetford Toilet Seal Lube is a petroleum-free, silicone-based lubricant that helps maintain the ball valve seal and the holding tank seals. Now remember, you can access the toilet seal, but you can't access the tank seals. And these are seals you don't want to fail, and that's why it's showing up as number 12 on today's list. It's making its debut on the list this year for the first time, the PCA Electronics Dimmer Switch. I released a video last year on how to install direct circuit dimmer switches in an RV, but I think the reason our video did well and why the switch showed up on the list this year was because we offer the 3D printed base plates you'll need in most RVs that the new switch mounts to. Many RVs come with super harsh white interior lights, and I think that's one of the reasons dimmer switches have become popular over the last few years. Just like everything else, I'm going to put links to these switches down below. I'm also going to put a link to the video on how to install dimmer switches in your RV, so you'll know exactly what you need to do. Landing at number 10 on this year's countdown is the Save-A-Drop water flow meter. There's a lot of real-world uses for water flow meters, but I think in the RV world, the most popular use is to backfill and rinse waste tanks, which really is the most efficient way to clean out a tank. I've released 2 videos that talk about water meters. One is an actual volume test of this specific meter, and the other is how to use a water meter to clean your waste tanks. Now, I haven't been using this water flow meter for more than 2 years, so I can't speak to its longevity, but they are pretty inexpensive, and it's a valuable overflow prevention tool for tank cleaning, even if you have to replace it every couple years or so. This next one's been on the list since we started this top product series 2 years ago, and I think the reason why, and I'll say it again, it's the perfect product for RV life. It's called the Kamenstein Perfect Tear Paper Towel Holder. They have models you can mount to the bottom of a cabinet like mine, along with countertop models, different color options as well. But what's nice is that it's got these tension rods that apply pressure against the roll so it doesn't slide off. It's perfect for a kitchen that's traveling down the road, and its rolling mechanism is under tension, so it won't unravel on travel days either. The finish is very nice for the price, and I can easily see why this shows up every year on the list. I'm sure most of you have seen these before, but it is without a doubt the best-selling RV water filter on the market. The Camco Taste Pure filter is a 20-micron filter that protects against things like dirt, silt, and sediment, and it just attaches on your water hose somewhere before the RV. Yes, there are obviously finer filtration systems out there, especially if you live in your RV full-time, but this filter is still the king when it comes to basic RV water filters. Remember, the source of your water is both unknown and different at every single RV campground, and it looks like a lot of folks agree that these filters are an essential part of RV camping. For the first time on the list, we have liquefied RV tank treatment. You may or may have not heard of this tank treatment yet, but there's actually been a lot of good reviews from other channels as well. I've used 4 different tank treatments over the years, and this by far does the best job of turning solids into liquids. So if you would like to see an actual video test of this versus 7 other tank treatments, I'll put a link to an excellent video down below in the video description. Another nice feature with liquefied is that its container has a separate chamber that makes measuring out your dose easy. No additional measuring cups or containers to carry. It does exactly what it says it's going to do, and I imagine this is probably going to be on the list next year. So there's quite a few wheel chock options out there for RVers. There's cheap plastic wheel chocks that expire over time. Yes, you heard that right, they expire because over time the sun makes them too brittle to safely chalk an RV. And then there's some really nice heavy-duty rubber chocks, but the cost of those can get a little bit on the higher side. Showing up today at number 6 is the Max Haul rubber wheel chalk, and I think this chalk shows up on the list today because it's a combination of quality and affordability. It's a nice heavy-duty rubber chalk that's not going to crack or blow away in the wind, and it's a super affordable piece of equipment. For the past few years, even through inflation, these have been around $16 to $18 a pair on Amazon. Now, they don't come with a connecting rope like some of the more expensive chalks do, but you can easily add a rope because they do have these loop handles on the back. Heavy duty, inexpensive, and probably the last wheel chalks you'll ever need to buy. We're making our way into the top 5, and if you've made it this far, you're probably enjoying the video, so please let us know by hitting that like button down below and we hope you consider subscribing. The next item on today's list is something that is just so convenient. RV manufacturers have actually started putting this in as standard equipment. The Camco crossbar screen door handle mounts to your interior screen door and gives you a much easier and more accessible way to grab the door and close it behind you. If your door is fully extended, it can be a little bit of a pain to close, especially if you have friction hinges, and this handle makes it much easier. At the time of recording this video, it's less than 20 bucks. I've had it on my RV for probably about 3 years now, and it's held up perfectly. Regardless of the size of your RV, we all have limited space, so I think we want to carry the least amount of stuff we can, but still have everything that we need. So it's always a win when we find a product that works in multiple applications. 303 Aerospace Protectant was introduced to me by a friend a couple years ago, and after using it, I would easily recommend it to anyone. You can use this on vinyl, plastic, synthetic, and natural rubber, so RV tires and slide-out seals, PVC, RV and truck window and exterior trim, fiberglass front caps, and gel coats. It's water-based, so it doesn't leave that oily residue behind, and it doesn't attract dirt and dust. This is just one of those products that I honestly can't recommend enough. And being that it's on the list today, I think a lot of people would agree. A lot of RVers bought BoShield T9 in 2023. Like 303 Aerospace Protectant, it's one of those products you can use on a lot of different things. It dries to a thin, waterproof, waxy consistency, and it can be used on a lot of different metals. You can use it on tongues and fifth wheel hitches, awning and stabilizer jack hardware, door locks, latches, and hinges, e-bike chains and hardware. It's safe on plastic, fiberglass, and vinyl. There's no silicone in this product, so you can use it on an RV and not have to worry about areas that need to be resealed. It's really one of my go-to maintenance products, and for good reason, as it was the third most popular product chosen from our links last year. Eternabond products came in at number 2. It's a product that you can use to permanently repair any membrane tears, and it's used in a pretty popular RV roof modification. I've already made a few videos on Eternabond. I'll link to those videos down below if you want to know more about why this product is on the list today. I do, however, want to address a comment that I got from somebody. They did mention that Eternabond was not made to be put over top of lap sealant. So I took some screenshots from the Eternabond website and would just like to confirm that per the manufacturer of Eternabond, it is absolutely acceptable to apply Eternabond over lap sealant. There's a lot of things to consider with the Eternabond modification, and I talk about those more in the videos that I'll link to down below. Okay, before we get to number 1, I want to give an honorable mention to a product that a lot of folks bought, but it didn't quite end up on the list. And that's probably because I didn't feature this product in a video until October, which is already late in the camping season. But I wanted to mention this because it's an awesome product and it worked perfectly during my testing. If you own a travel trailer or really any RV that you have to manually level, the Beach Lane wireless RV leveling system is a little device you install on your RV, and it will tell you the roll and pitch levels of your rig real time, so you can level the RV by just looking at your phone. Setting up the app is easy. Using it is really easy, especially when you're using ramp levelers. I'll put a link down below to the Beach Lane leveling video we made back in October if you want to check this product out. Eternabond was number 1 on the list last year. That means we got a brand new number 1 on this year's list. So I released a video on how to clean your RV's air conditioner coils. It's really something you should be doing if you want your AC to operate as efficiently as possible. And in that video, I mentioned 2 coil cleaners as options. First is the Frost King foaming coil cleaner, and second is the new Calgon Evap Fresh cleaner. Now there's a little bit of a difference between these 2 cleaners, and I talk about that in the actual air conditioner coil cleaning video. And let me know down in the comments which products you guys would like to see reviewed in 2024.